Hey queens, welcome back to my channel where you girls know it's all about glow up vibes. Today's video is gonna be a whole Halloween cheetah leopard print look. I've been honestly waiting for it since last year, or really since I got my little cheetah outfit. I got it at the thrift store and I just been wanting so badly to wear it. It's gonna be something from head to toe. This is the first time I really even do something so 360, but that's what this is all about. The glow up is about trying new things. My skin is already prepped and hydrated. I'm gonna get right into it with some primer. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. Power Grip Primer because this is gonna really hold your makeup. Now we're gonna go straight into the skin product. I'm gonna use the Magic Skin Beautifier by L'Oreal, the BB cream. I'm gonna use this green one because it blocks out the redness, and I do tend to have a lot of redness on my skin, especially with this rash that I did develop and I do have right now. It's not what it looks like, girl, okay? It's a rash. It's like, I'm thinking it's like some type of like skin rash or allergy. So I'm gonna cover it up with this BB cream. I do like it too, so it's what I normally use on my skin. And I like how it blends out into the color of my skin tone. So that's what I really like about it. And it does even out the redness. You guys can straight up tell. Okay, so now I'm gonna do it on this side because this is the side that I've noticed that I just get a little more redness. Maybe because sometimes this is where I have like my hair. I usually part my hair to the side and it maybe just goes on this side of my face more, but it still does such a great job at blocking it all out. Now I'm gonna try it on the rash I have on my neck. We'll see if it works out to block out the redness, since green is meant to hide redness. Oh wow, dang, that blocked it out pretty good. I mean, I don't know, good enough, but I mean, whatever. I'm not trying to put anything too heavy on it either, you know. Next, I'm going in with this Morphe brush. This is the color of That Girl. And I'm going to put some right here on the top. Now I'm going to blend out the blush with this beauty blender. Next, I'm going to go in with this NYX Bare With Me concealer. I'm going to put some underneath my eyes, and the rest of my makeup, I'm just going to do it real quick. I'm going to link everything down below, and I'm going to get right back with you queens when it's time and I'm ready to do the cute cheetah print tutorial. Girl, we getting the contacts in. I'm putting on some eye drops. For the eyes, I'm gonna go in with a nice wing liner. And I'm gonna do a straight line like that. I mean, it's just this part right here. I'm gonna do the slightest bit in the inner corner, not too much because I do not trust myself. I'm gonna just do the waterline right here. And I'm gonna use this brown color just under here to add some depth. And now it's time for the lashes. These are the Even in the style February. And then I'm gonna just add this EXO Cosmetics lash glue. I love this glue because it doesn't even have a drying time. You don't have to even wait for it to get tacky. So I like to just put this right on, and it's given me some confidence to start wearing falsies. And there you go. How bomb and how quick is that? So now let's get right into the cheetah print, girls, because we got the makeup done. I added the highlight. Now I'm gonna use the e.l.f. eyeliner, the same liquid liner, and I'm just gonna begin drawing them. Girl, wish me luck, because this is the first time. Goes. And then we're gonna just blend it to get it. Oh my gosh, it's looking so bomb, but I am gonna switch to the eyeliner because I think that one was a little too thin. I'm gonna try the Revlon one. And yeah, I kind of like that. It gives me more of like a thicker cheetah leopard print. I saw a cool tutorial that also used one of these to get it on. So I'm gonna draw a few. So I'm gonna see if that will work. Oh, that's cute. It does work. I'm gonna use the same contour stick for the middle of the dots. I might have to like add more of the black liner. It's looking so cute though. Perfect. So I mean, that's good enough, girls. This was my first attempt anyways, and it's quick, simple, whatever. I'm gonna add some bomb pink gloss to the middle of my lips. I'll link it down below, but I just think it looks so cute. Okay, so now it's the wig install part. I'm so excited. I got this one on the TikTok shop, and this is my first time ever trying on a wig. It's a synthetic wig, and I'm gonna cut a little bit of the lace right here in the front, and we're just gonna throw it on.
It's too far back. Why do you keep pulling it back?
Right here.
Because you got to cover your hair up. So think about it. If you don't have, you're going to have to cut this lace off. So you got to make sure the hair is covering your hair.
Oh my gosh. This is so bomb. I have never seen myself with different hair. Oh my God. We're about to just cut the lace. Girl, hold on, hold on.
And then pull the string against it. No, like that way. More that way. So it'll be tighter and easier to cut.
Oh, okay, I see.
Yeah. And then watch your hair, Mom.
Yeah. Oh. Period. Oh my God. How bomb, queens, how bomb is this look? And with this cheetah romper, the heels I'm gonna use these super bomb Gucci. One day. Super bomb juicy stiletto. How bomb are these? Oh my gosh. And I'm gonna show you girls the heels too. You can't really tell, but they look so cute. Queens, and that was it for today's look. I really hope you girls enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe for more little tutorials and transformations. It's about you just doing the look, girl. This actually ended up cuter than I even thought. So just do the look. This is right in time for Halloween. This is cute, simple, still baddie. Oh my gosh, and I forgot to do the press-ons, but I'm gonna do the press-ons as well, so make sure you have your nails done and everything, girl. Follow me on my Instagram so you guys could see the full look, and I'll see you girls in my next video. Bye, queens.